Hi everybody. In this tutorial I wanna be demonstrating about the basic commands of AutoCAD which is commonly used. Line, trim, offset, angle, rectangle, fillet, erase, arc, rotate, copy, mirror, text. So let's begin. Let's make a floor plan with a size of 5 meters by 6 meters. I will be using millimeters. Let's type line or L, enter, type the first length which is 6 meters, enter, followed by 5 meters, enter. Next will be 6 meters again then enter, and then 5 meters then enter. Remember, always hit the escape button before typing another command. Using offset command for the thickness of the wall. Type O or offset then enter, type the desired thickness of the wall, I will be using 100 mm. Click inside the floor plan or box to pop up the offsetted line, then click the next line which will be offsetted. Next command will be fillet or F. Simply type F then enter. Click the first line to be fillet. Then click the second line. We will be creating a door and a door opening using the command, line, offset, trim, arc and rectangle. Or you can use rec or rectangle command for the door or any object you will be creating. Just type rec, enter, type 50 for the thickness of the door, comma, 800 for the width of the door. And type command A or arc for the path of the edge of the door. Next will be the window using the command rectangle and line. And using the command move or M, to move the object from one place to another. Copy or C, to copy the object you created. And hit escape button. And then copying the window to create a new one using the command, copy, rotate and move. And now we will be creating roof plan for our floor plan. Using the command rectangle, simply type rec or rectangle, click the first point on where you will be placing the rectangle. Then enter the first desired length, which is 5000 mm, then hit comma, then type the second length, which is 6000 mm. Next is creating the roof using command, offset, fillet, and how to use the angle command. From the rectangle we created, just type offset and type the desired length, which is 1000 mm. And now using the angle command to emphasize the correct angle of the line. Just type line, click on the first point in the edge of the rectangle in where we will be started. Hold plus shift angle, then type 45. On the other side, type same command and use the angle 135, the opposite of the angle 45. Then type fillet or F, to join the two lines. Select the first line followed by the second line to be joined. Next we will be using the command MI or mirror. Just select the object that you will be mirrored, type MI or mirror, enter, then click on the center or reference point of the rectangle. In addition, we will be creating a label for our floor plan using the command text or MTEXT, then enter. If the text is very small, just double click on it and change the text height to make more visible. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something in our topic. If you have questions, just comment down below. In our future video, we will be demonstrating about how to input and edit dimension on our floor plan. Thank you for watching.